Yes. Look, this is my Jamaican flag. Yes. And as you see, I'm wearing a Jamaican t-shirt. So, Jamaican, Jamaica, Jamaica. And guess what? I should have shown you guys. I have my Jamaican flag. Why? I'm dressing like a Jamaican. This is just a trial and an error. But this is no error. This is more a trial. And why I said it's a trial? One of my team member, my upline, she has put Jamaica on the map in financial business. So coming July 6th to the 11th, we'll be in Las Vegas. And guess what? I have my flag already. Yes, Auntie Doreen, I clap for others until it's my turn. And you see, Auntie Doreen, it's because of your turn right now. I'm ready for clap for you. First, I'm get my flag. And here comes the Jamaica flag. Yes, Auntie Doreen, I'm ready. See my flag here? Look at my t-shirt. See my flag here? You see when I go to Vegas? You see any Jamaican who don't have no flag? Remember, me have flag for them too. Yes, me have flag for the Jamaican them. Anybody who don't have no flag, because guess what? Jamaicans, me I go make you know say, una go roll out for Kingston, Jamaica. Yes, Ugly Park Road to be exact, she's from. So see this something them here? Them have this stick, you know. Right here, so I know Jamaicans will be coming from all over Canada. I have Jamaican flag for Uno, because Uno go and help me celebrate Auntie Doreen, celebrate my upline, celebrate her, because guess what? In this business, we learn to celebrate others. Yes, clap for them. Because a win for somebody is a win for us too. And so we want people to clap for we and celebrate for we when we win too. So guess what? You see, I'll be giving away them flag here. Me just want one to wave. And me will be walking with my flag. Because a Jamaica, me I say, you know. Yeah, man. Me I celebrate. Could you imagine when I went to Texas and I don't see no Jamaica on the map?